Hey everyone, welcome to Art City. I'm Eman and today I will be showing you how to draw an anime portrait. So for this tutorial, all you need is a blank sheet of paper, a pencil, and a eraser. Another helpful but optional tool is a ruler, but anything that will help you draw a straight line is absolutely fine.
First, we need to draw a circle with a cross through it, like this one here. Start by sketching your circle. Don't worry if it's not perfect, and it's okay if the lines are messy, because they will be erased later. If this is difficult, you can use any circular object you have at home and trace around it instead. Next, draw a line straight down the middle of the circle. You can use a ruler for this step. Then, mark a point about 2/3 down the circle and draw a line across horizontally. You don't need to use a ruler for this, and it's okay as long as the line is a little bit below the halfway of the circle. Sketch the face shape from these 2 points, and then draw an almond shape downwards that joins below the circle at the vertical line. For ears, draw 2 half circles from the horizontal line to the point where the circle meets the face shape that you just drew. For eyes, draw 2 circles on top of the horizontal line an equal distance apart. Anime eyes are usually pretty big, but you can make these circles any size that you prefer. Next, for the top eyelashes, draw a curved line on top of the 2 circles you just drew. This line should be a little bit more curved towards the inside of the face. Then, draw a little circle in the left corner of the eyes and a smaller oval in the center of both eyes. Fill in the small ovals. For bottom eyelashes, draw a curved line underneath both of the eyes. Make little lines pointing towards the eye from the top of the eyelashes on the outer parts. Thicken the eyelashes by making the lines darker. If you want, you can add 2 flicks to make longer eyelashes on the bottom and on the top. Shade the eyes by lightly filling them in, but leave half a circle at the bottom of the eyes unshaded. This will give the eyes more depth. Draw a small line above each eye to make eyelids. And for eyebrows, they can be any size. I'm drawing 2 small lines just above the eyes. About halfway between the ears and the center of the face, draw a small downwards triangle to make a nose. And for the mouth, draw a half circle below the nose. It's okay if this isn't straight, it'll still look good. Shade in the corners of the mouth. To add teeth, you can draw a small rectangular shape at the top of the mouth. To make details in the ears, draw a line along the ear and then an opposite line connecting from the face shape. Draw the neck about the same width apart as the mouth and just make 2 lines downwards. To make shoulders, imagine you're drawing the shape of a hanger. Draw a half circle to make a collar. So, anime hair is usually kind of pointy or messy. And to draw the hairstyle that I made, sketch triangular shapes downwards. Don't worry if the hair goes through the eyes or the eyebrows, it'll still look great. You just want to make as many of these as can fit, kind of just sweeping downwards. And we want to cover the gap between the ears and the hair, so you can just draw longer triangular shapes here. Connect the hair at the top with an M shape. To draw short hair, you can just extend lines downwards and then connect it with little jagged lines to the neck. For shadows, shade a downwards triangle underneath the neck. You can also do some shading along the face shape. And then around the top of the eyes. Lastly, erase the circle with the cross through it. And here is the final product.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to check out our channel for more videos like this. Bye!